If you're looking for a waterproof phone case but don't want to spend a fortune on a new case, check out these pouches from Syncwire right now. Sometimes we need our phones on us at all times, at an amusement park or even in the swimming pool. Plus, a little added protection is worth it if you don't want to cover the cost of replacing your phone. Although many newer phones come with an IP rating, making them somewhat water resistant, a waterproof pouch provides extra protection that helps with not just water, but also snow, mud, and any other wet substances your phone may come into contact with. If you already have a case for your phone, then you're probably not looking to spend a bunch more on a waterproof case, just to have another case for your phone. However, if you're headed out on vacation or just want to take some cool pool pictures, then picking up one of these waterproof cases from Syncwire to grab those special moments in the pool, on the beach, or sliding down a water slide is going to be a must. The Syncwire waterproof pouches are rated IP68 and will keep your phone or other valuables dry in depths of up to 6 feet. These are large capacity bags with 3 Ziploc seals and folding Velcro strap over the top, guaranteeing your device doesn't get soaked. Best of all, it comes with a neck strap so that you can swim or run in the rain hands-free, and you can get them for a lot less than most other waterproof cases. Using the Syncwire waterproof pouch is very easy. All you have to do is open the 2 safety buckles inward, open the pouch and slide your phone inside. Squeeze the air out of the pouch and then close the 2 safety buckles. For extra convenience, you can also attach the included neck strap to the waterproof pouch. And here's a little tip: if you aren't 100% sure that these are waterproof to protect your phone, before using it, fill your waterproof bag with a paper towel and submerge it in a sink full of water for around 2 hours. If the paper towel comes out dry, you're good to go. The biggest pros of the Syncwire waterproof phone pouch are that it's large enough to fit even the biggest of smartphones, up to 7 inches, and keep your other items completely safe and dry as well. Also, it's not as expensive as many other waterproof pouches on the market, and you can grab the 2-pack to make sure everyone has a chance to capture those memories no matter where you are. To learn even more about social media marketing, video, and product reviews, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.